Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, June 23. Time is around 6 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So yesterday I gave you this area as a potential area to return, like to move back to the upside. As you can see, we touched it and we had a nice push up here. So this was a nice trade yesterday, but now we are still hanging around here. So let's have a look at some scenarios that could play out today and how to trade them. So first, I will just continue with my primary scenario, and then I discuss two alternative scenarios. So the primary scenario is as it is drawn here. So this was a wave for low. We had the first impulse up, and now we are correcting this wave one to the upside, to the downside as a wave two. Yesterday we had a nice reaction from this area. So this is the area between the length of that you find by taking the length of wave A, the length of wave B, and then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area where we should react. This is also the wave 2 area here. So this is the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So it's not really a surprise that we reacted from here yesterday. Good push up, and now the question is if it will hold here. Like one possibility is that if we look to the 15 minutes, that indeed like the low is in here, something like this, 3 4 5, that this is the low, and that we now start like a new impulse up, like a 1, this is your 2, and we move higher from here. However, even in this scenario, I think we cannot exclude that we make another low here, something like this. This would also be possible in my own opinion. So 1, so from here, or 1 down, 2, 3, oh sorry, like this, 3, 4, 5. So one possibility to trade it today is so after the trade of yesterday, that we enter again below this low here to go long again. So this is one possibility for today. So to go again long from this area, but a bit deeper below this low. Yeah, it could also be that we hold the low and that we start to move up from here. So this is one scenario, but I also have to draw your attention on two other scenarios, and let's start with the 4 hour to discuss these scenarios. So if you had a look at my weekend analysis, I told you I'm expecting a pullback in the higher time frame for the DAX. And yeah, this means that on the lower time frame, every high you make can be your last high. So also here we can imagine that this was the high. Like if we look from here, from this wave 4 low, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this could be our fifth swing. Also, the internal count here looks mature. Like we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could really be the high, like perfectly possible. And so if we assume that this is the high, then there are some other possibilities. So if this is here the high, then after this high we should have an impulse down, and this is actually also possible. Like we could see something like this. So I would say, yeah, like this is our 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this is a 4, and now we make a 5 down. So instead of an ABC here, we have an impulse down. Can be can be possible. If this is our high, we should have now an impulse down, and this is also a scenario that can play out. Like, but if this, like in this scenario, if this is an impulse down, it looks like this impulse should end soon. Like this looks like the third wave down. This looks like a 4, and then we should end here a wave 5 with divergence. Like, and it looks like if we make a new low, that we end here with divergence compared to your wave 3. And this is also like why I draw this area. Like this is the area from where you can expect reaction. Even in a bearish scenario, it looks like we will have reaction here. Like yesterday we had a first good push up, and even if we retrace a bit more, it looks like we will have again reaction to the upside. So this is my my second scenario that I see for today. And yeah, even then, if we print here a low with divergence compared to your wave 3, then this is for me again an opportunity to go long. So this is another scenario that could play out. And then yeah, there's actually also a very bearish scenario possible, because yeah, if this is or high for the higher time frame pullback, and everybody starts to see this, we can have a lot of downward pressure, and then I cannot exclude a scenario like this, that this was here actually or wave 1, that we have a shallow wave 2 retracement, and that we see way more downside today. This is also something that is possible. So this has a wave 1 shallow wave 2 retracement, then we are doing something something like this. Yeah, it's possible. And then we take out this low today, and yeah, this would be a good indication that that our high is in here. If we take out this low, there might be, yeah, some other scenarios that we can still turn up if we take out this low, but it's a first good indication. Yeah, if we take it out, that our high was in. I will pay more attention to additional to other scenarios, to additional scenarios, if we take out this low, but I will not discuss this now. This will probably be for my weekend video or my video on Monday. So this is what I see for today. 3 scenarios. So or low is in here as a wave 2 and we start to move up, or today we make like a deeper low and we start to move up, or we have something yeah, extremely bearish today. Everybody sees that the high is in, and then we have yeah, 1 2 and yeah, way more downside today. So yeah, it will be really a matter of being careful, but yeah, you had to be careful the past days also. I told you that this could be the high, and that we have to be careful with our long trades. Like you have to protect your trades as soon as you entered. If there is a separation between your entry and the price, you move your stop loss. If you're stopped out, you do not lose any money. This is the way to do it currently. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, or comment to support my work so I can further grow this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you this weekend for an analysis of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.